way, Chewy just dropped something off at our door. Should we see what it is? We have a package out there. Oh, Wolfgang, inside. All right, we have something for everyone. We have something for Kiwi and something for Wolfgang. Hey, back up. I don't want to snip your nose. What is it, huh? What is it? We have food for Kiwi. Nope, that's for Kiwi. That's for Kiwi. Another box of food. Kiwi, it's food for you. Yeah. And there's something, Wolfgang. Hey, Wolfgang, there's something in here for you. Look. We have a newspaper. Let me get this out. So this is a prop for one of our routines. Hey, I don't want to cut your nose. For one of our routines we are doing. So we're going to start training with it. I've been looking for a dog toy newspaper and finally found one. I'm really having trouble doing this with just one hand. Wolfgang finally figured out it's for him. You want it? Did you see that reaction? He doesn't know what to think of this squeaker. It's for you. There you go. Good boy. What do you think, Wolfgang? Well, the picture made it look like this opens up, but I guess it doesn't. I guess that's it, which is fine. I don't need it to open up. I was thinking of some cute things we could do with it if it did open up, but it'll just have to be like that. So I'm going to teach him to pick it up and put it somewhere. I don't want to give out all the details. But right now I'm just letting him play with it and get to know it so he likes it. What do you think? All right. So what do you think we are going to use the newspaper for? What song could it be?